So, Michelle Kennedy, want to bring you into the mix now and talk about, well, we know that state of emergency has been declared ahead of this storm, but what we're most concerned about, and you've been talking about the fact that we haven't quite gotten over the effects of this past storm, and here comes another one.
And ice that is still lingering on the roads from the refreeze, the melting, the thawing. You know, we are looking at snow on top of that. It is not going to be a non-issue. We're still creating slippery surface conditions for folks who would try and get out on the roadway. So we want to caution you on that. It'll be great for the kids if we can get some measurable snow on the ground. And it is looking more likely that we will have at least some snowfall here and there. We have a lot of dry air to overcome and some forecast challenges, but the concern is for slippery travel along with blowing snow that's going to reduce visibilities. And that blowing snow could last through Sunday, even if we're not still seeing the snow falling from the sky. We have it on the ground, and that's going to create some problems for folks out there, along with the dangerous travel. We also have concerns for some power outages. Now, this would happen where we have some heavier snow coming down on tree branches, particularly in the mountains. We could anticipate that would be an area we might see more outages, but can't rule it out across parts of the Tri-2 because these gusts will be as high as 35 miles an hour as we head east as the snow is continuing to fall through the day on Saturday. It's a primarily Saturday system for the Piedmont Tri. Foothills and mountains could see a little bit of snow trying to get going Friday night. Timing right now still looks to bring in strong gusts and blowing snow for us throughout the day on Sunday. We have our winter storm watch that'll go into effect tomorrow afternoon through Sunday, and you see snow wrapping in as we have a low to the south and a warm front here, but far enough south, and we're cold enough that we don't have to worry. And with that cold column of air all the way to the surface, we're expecting to see teens and snow likely, but mix. You notice here as we get you closer to the coast, the temperatures are closer to the freezing mark, and anytime we see that, we get some heavier wet snow. We could see some coastal flooding from the storm, and if it does some rapid intensification, you've heard that bomb cyclone term thrown around a little bit, but any kind of intensification here could really help to bring in more heavy snowfall for folks at the beaches, where of course their infrastructure too to try and clear it is not great. And then this could continue all the way through Saturday night into Sunday morning. And notice if the low is still hanging out close to the coast and still intensifying, that's going to just pound them with snow all the way through the mid-Atlantic states too. So Maryland, Delaware, watching for the storm very closely and hopeful that that track still remains east-northeast rather than becoming a true nor'easter. Now it'll affect folks in Nova Scotia and Nantucket after this, as that snow does ride up along the coast, but the worst of the impacts may remain off the Atlantic. So we'll be watching for that. Right now, we've just had a new winter storm warning. This has gone into effect just now for folks up in the mountains. So that includes areas to the west for Ashe County, parts of areas of Lenoir, and as we go south and west out to Watauga. But for the Allegheny County region foothills, you're still under the winter storm watch as of now. We're expecting some of the higher totals to occur in the mountains, as we've talked about, that upper elevation giving us a little more opportunity to drop some of that snow there first, and they'll be closer to that moisture area too. Winter storm impacts beginning Friday, continuing to increase on our Saturday. We're going to have much more for you throughout the day, and of course all day long tomorrow too. Impact day is for Saturday, for an alert day for snow and blustery conditions through the weekend.